Simula na kulay.
Meeting number 4.
This time, target sa face. Okay, so sa mukha, marami tayong target yan. Okay, hitch. Okay, pag nagpa-punch, wala nang buwelo. Wala nang buwelo. So, direction na. Direction na. Punch. Okay. Go. Hitch. Touch. Two. Jukiet. Knee. Sal. Shi. Go. Rope. Hitch. Touch. Two. Jukiet. Kill. Sal. Shi. Go.
Meeting number 12. Shibe.
Rope. Hitch. Touch. Two. Jukiet. Touch. Two. Jukiet. Kill. Oh, relax. So, can you basic four blocks? Downward block, outside block, inside block, and downward block. Okay, next, sa open hand naman tayo. Hitch, touch, coup, juke. Okay, relax. Ngayon, kukumbay natin yung strikes, yung punch, blocks. Okay? So, first move is downward block. So, paano ang downward block? Coup. Juke. Okay. 1 pound. Hitch. Punch. Okay, good. Knee. Without fear. Sun. Shi. Go. Okay. So, kina-imagine mo na opponent ka. Hitch. Touch. Coup. Juke. Okay, next is outside block. Hitch. Knee. Sun. Go. Rope. Medyo tumataas. Now open. Okay. Touch. Coup. Juke. Okay, next. Inside block. Go. Rope. Hitch. Touch. Coup. Juke. Okay, next. Last is upper block. And punch. Go. Rope. Hitch. Touch. Cool. Juke. Okay, then meron tayong open hand block. Kasi tinatawag na knife hand block or shoot open. Okay, so tinutulang shoot open parang sa downward block. Pero this time open. Juke. Okay, 1 count. Hitch. Without fear. Sun. Shi. Go. Rope. Hitch. Touch. Coup. Juke. Okay, this time, pag-block, then spear hand. Hitch. Touch. Coup. Juke. Okay. So, recap. 3 punch. Then we have spear hand. Then sa blocks, downward block. Outside block. Inside block. Outside block. Then upper block. Knife and block. Okay. So rest tayo ng 2 minutes. And then let's do our stances. Okay, so that's it. Ready.
Alright, this is actually my first day. This is just my first night. Okay, so bear with me. I'm gonna get better soon. I just want to do this because I want to just, I want to do something different instead of just wasting my time doing just dancing and stuff. It's just dancing anyway. So as long as the master is good to me and he's really great, I can be a great student as well. It takes a good teacher to have a good student.
Ma'am, series, pagsapon series, like. Okay. Okay, so 2 counts ulit tayo. Each. Together. Both feet pointing forward. And then, yung left ang move nyo, left din step ng left, knee. So, that is for exams. And knee. Okay, straight. Hitch. Knee. Sinabi, yame, yame. Okay, next, again. Hands to the side. Forward stance, forward stance, touch, 1 count. Okay, sun, dumadaan na. Chi. Okay, go. Sagate, itch, step back, knee. Sun. Chi. And yame. This time, nalagyan natin siya ng punch. Okay, so, meron tayo na tawag na basic punch. Ngayon naman, basic number 1. Okay, so itch. Together. Then, step ng left, punch, knee. Yan. Okay, itch. Knee. Go. Rock here. Sabi na 2 white. Okay, next number 1. 1 count tayo. So, pang itch, knee. Sun. Shake here. Last. Here. Okay, pag sinabi yame, stop for position. Yame. Next, number 2. So number 2, downward block and punch. Okay, so each. Kung ano yung block, sa step naka, then knee. Para siya, left to forward, left to the then punch. Knee. Sun. Hitch. Knee. Sun here. And yummy. Okay, number 2. Again, 1 count. Okay, basic number 2. Start tayo left. Karate tayo left. So pag 1 count, step left. Okay, punch. Okay, again. Okay, basic number 2. Hitch. Knee. Chi, here. Sagate, H. Punch. Yan. Knee. Okay, then yame. Number 2. Outside block. Okay, 2 counts. H. Always left, knee. Okay, sun. H. Knee. Sun. Knee. Sun here. And yame. Okay, next, number 4. After outside block, next number. Okay, inside block. Number 3, outside block ulit. 1 count. Chi here. Sagate. H. Sagate means knee. Sun here. Inside block. H. Knee. Sun. H. Knee. Sun here. Sun. H. Knee. Sun here. Yummy. H. Knee. Masyado na buwan. Sun. Chi. Here. Knee. Sun. H. Knee. Sun. Here. Here. Sagate. H. Right. Knee. Sun. H. Knee. Sun. H. Knee. Sun here. Knee. Sun. Chi here. Sun here. Yeah. Sun.
Ala, ba't tayo gumagawa rito ng dinamita? Eh, kitang-kita tayo rin eh.
Bakit pa tayo naghihintay ng gabi?
Turing, tignan mo.
Malisto kayo! Gabi na, baka may nagbabantay dyan.
Asintado ka.
Wala yan. Dynamite fishing.
Okay ka lang?
Sakit katawan.
Sige na. Umuwi ka na. Ako nang bahala dito.
Okay.